Imagine waking up and realizing you made money while you slept. 2025, passive income isn't a dream. It's a plan, and today I'm giving you 5 smart ways to make it happen. First, crypto savings accounts. Platforms like Nexo or uHodler pay you interest just for holding stable coins. It's like your money is working overtime. Second, YouTube automation. You don't have to be on camera. Outsource scripts, voiceovers, and editing. Let your channel earn while you sleep. Third, dividend-paying stocks. Buy shares in solid companies. Sit back and collect cash every quarter. It's proven, reliable, and scalable. Fourth, digital storefronts. Use sites like Etsy or Webull. You upload a design and they handle the rest. No inventory, no stress. Fifth, crypto staking. Lock in coins like Ethereum or Cardano and get paid rewards just for holding. The best time to build passive income? Yesterday. The second best time is right now. Subscribe to Smart Coin Daily. Daily tips to build wealth smarter, faster, and forever.